wadhi nyime bang' twak makende mane ochiw gi jatend piny Otieno Manyoro. Jotelo mopogore opogore pod medo golo pachgi kutenore kod twak ma jatend piny no. Maneno Ogai mar doho David Maraga oseyo twak ma jatend piny kowacho ni twak mare no ne chalo ka gima en twak matimo kisera mar ombulu. Omedo ni onge kaka twak makamano madongo piny Kenya kendo riwo wi oganda. Jatend piny nyalo mana timo e kind thuolo mar higa achiel motelo ne yiero maduong' mabiro.
He has been in office for 4 years. In fact, we are only 1 year to go. Please take this as Ruto is in a panic mood. He has realized that he is not with the Kenyans, so he is reacting to this. All this drama is because he has failed the Kenyans, and he wants to see what he can salvage. But Kenyans know better. You know better than being deceived anymore. President Ruto has exalted our constitution. Those who know, remember, President Ruto was one of those who were opposed to this constitution. And come to the time he has been in power, he has violated the constitution more than any other president in the past. But he's telling us that the constitution contains all the Kenyans' aspirations. That's true. But aspirations that he has failed to fulfill. He has, quoted, for example, Article 43, which provides for education for our children and universal health care, among other things. Areas that have serious problems in our country. I want to ask Kenyans not to be deceived anymore. You have had enough of this drama. What President Ruto is trying to do is trying to woodwink the Kenyans once again.